Hi, so this is just a quick little video about the design decisions I made when making the enemies in Xenoplanet. This is supposed to go along with the documentation on my website, so if you're just watching this on YouTube, you might be a little confused. But I'm just going to show off a little bit of what I'm talking about in the documentation. So you can see I don't have that many arrows in my inventory. Uh-oh, didn't even notice that guy. So that eye at the top of the screen just lets me know that I'm being seen by an enemy. And as you can see, that's one of the harder enemies that get spawned once one of those easier enemies sees you. I'm just gonna run away, try and lose focus. So I should have approached that a little more stealthily. Could have used a few less arrows and not had many arrows from here. This is a good angle. So you can see all the things that glow red on the enemy are critical hit spots, and if you are able to be precise and hit those spots specifically, you'll end up using a lot fewer arrows. So I'm just this guy. He's got a much higher field of view, making him a lot harder to avoid being seen by. Yes. What? So you can see that guy's already spawned more of these beamer enemies just because I've spent so much time being seen by him. I'm gonna craft some more arrows here. So you can see that fight also almost used up all my arrows. If I manage to be a little more stealthy, should be able to just kill this guy in one shot. So now I'm using the explosive arrow. Like, this guy's coming to check out what's going on. He was probably alerted by this guy. Yep, nice. Like, I know exactly where you are. My friend has told me, but I get a critical hit on this guy with an explosive arrow. Boom, instant kill. Versus if I'm just shooting like normal arrows at this guy and not getting critical hits. You can also see he doesn't know where I am anymore because I'm outside of his range and that guy's not telling me where I am, or telling him where I am. But yeah, with just regular arrows getting non-critical hits, takes more than 6 arrows. So let me just get some more here. Takes a lot more arrows versus if I'm getting critical hits and I'm using my resources wisely, I can kill these guys in just 2 or 3 shots, or 1 or 2 even if I'm using explosive arrows. But yeah, those were just some of the decisions I made. You should check out my website and look at some of the documentation of this wonderful project if you haven't. And yeah, thank you.